Hey guys, it's Legend Killer here, and today I have another modding tutorial. Today we will be we'll be adding a block with redstone properties, so it'll basically turn on and off. It'll be a light, so when we flip a switch, it'll turn on and then turn off. So first, we're just gonna want to create a block. So we'll come down here, and I rearranged some of this stuff to make it a little easier to see. So public static final block, and we'll just call this redstone block. Let's just do redstone off, and then for this we're gonna have to spell that right. We're gonna have to create two different blocks. So we're gonna do public static final block redstone on. So there's two different states of the block. And so we're going to come up here and register it. Register block and redstone off. Just going to copy that down, but turn this to on. So now that those are registered, we need to add names. So mod loader and redstone. And since we're not going to be, you shouldn't ever have a redstone on in your inventory, so we're just going to not name it. So yeah, so we'll just do redstone light. Light block. And that should be good for there. Let's just create a real quick crafting recipe for it. Let's do just 64 of them, and we'll just make it a 2 by 2 block of dirt. So now we have those. We just copy this down here. On equal, and then new, and then we're going to do block redstone light block. And for this, we're going to just make it 151 for the ID, and material. Actually, let's just do it. Here, hold on a sec. Oh, we also need to do something else here. We need to come up here and define some integers. So these are where we're going to define the textures for the blocks. So when we change which block it is, it also changes the texture. So we'll do private static int, because this isn't a variable, or do redstone STON redstone block off texture, and just copy the same thing down here, except this time it'll be on, and semicolons. Whoops. So now we have those. Here we'll do comma redstone block off texture, and basically this tells it what its texture is. And above this, we're gonna go in here where we tell it what texture this is. So we'll do just texture, and so we'll do redstone. Let's just copy this. I don't feel like typing it. Come on, there we go. Whoops. And we'll do is equal to mod loader dot add override, and we're overwriting the terrain.png with the textures that I've created, and I'll show you them in a minute. But they'll be put in mods, tutorial, and redstone, and we'll do off.png. Oops, forgot the quotation there. And there we go. No? Oh. Alright. So we'll copy that again. Paste it down here. And instead, this will be on. And this is on. Save that. So this is giving us an error here because we need a class for that. But before we do that, I'm just going to copy this down and change this to 152. And here we're just going to set hardness to, I don't know, 0.0, let's do 0.5 F. Set name, set block name to redstone off. And the last one, actually I think that's all we need for that one, because the next one, yep, so we're just going to do the same thing for this one down here, except this one, since it's the on block, it's going to have a light value, so set light value to, and I think we'll make it the same as glowstone, which is 1.0 F.